Hello everyone, this is the J-Pen Club. After all, while satisfying your hobbies, you should also consider whether it will affect your family and even neighbors. So you might as well take a look at this JP20 desktop air pump. We will connect the air pump and feel the actual operation. After connecting the air pump, you can spray. This knob on the air pump is used to adjust the air pressure. Adjust the appropriate air pressure to spray. During the spraying process, we can clearly feel that the sound of the air pump is really small when it is working. Such a volume, whether it is day or night, when we spray will not affect the life and rest of the family. This is the effect we just sprayed. The JP20 air pump not only works at a low volume, but also has a stable air pressure, which can support us to spray an even and smooth paint finish. If you want to own this product, please search for J-Pen Hobby on Amazon. Well, goodbye.